Good morning, KP. It's Miss Perkins again. Happy Wednesday. I have some review and new things to show you. Wait till you see. But first, let's start with the calendar like we do. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10. So you know it's June and it's Wednesday. And I move the 2020 down here, okay? So with the blue, today is Wednesday, June 10th. Say that with a digraph, right? 2020. Good. Now, I'm going to show you something review and new on this. You know that we're counting how many days we have not been in school, no school days. Then you're gonna see something new down here when we get down, all right? All right, so you know we're counting on from 53 today. These red dots, here we go. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That was a group of 10 yesterday. 61. But I want you to see what's written over today's red dot. I'll give you a hint. It's this number. Yes, 10. Well, let me just tell you, it's such a coincidence that it's happening on the 10th. But this one's going to be a countdown. Okay? We'll talk more about that in a minute. All right, so we're at 61. 61 no school days. So you're going to start seeing from now on in purple, 10. What would go below that? Yes, 9, 8, not the weekends. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last day of school, right? So be looking for that when we're doing morning meeting. Pretty cool. So to go with that, we all know what this is. I hope you're hollering at it at home. Miss Perkins, that's the 10 string. That's right. So I'm showing this today, and we'll be taking one off, completely off, okay, to show the countdown. And I'm going to give a shout out to Frankie, because you know her mom is a teacher too. If we were at school, my brain would be kicking in to making what's called a countdown chain. But it didn't at all. So thank goodness to Frankie for sending me a picture. I'll have to put that out on Instagram about a countdown chain. What I want you to do is you can take any plain piece of paper, could even be a notebook paper, scrap paper, you decide, right? And you cut strips. So we're gonna need 10 for starting today, right? 1, 2, 3, sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the way I did it, you can have an adult help you if you need to. 8, 9, I made my strips like that, and 10. Then you take your strips and you could color code them. So if you have 2 kinds of paper, you might already have, I don't know, blue and yellow, the Baker School colors, whatever, pick your favorite color, or you can just draw on them, right? Maybe squiggly lines on one, stars on another. So here's squigglies for me and stars. And maybe the next one I'll make is hearts, right? So you decide how you want to decorate yours. And you're going to need a stapler or some tape to be able to stick them together. So here's one here. I happen to have a handy dandy stapler right here. And then you'll make your 10. You want to do 10 of them somehow and connect them together. Like I said, a stapler or tape. So it's every other, you go round and round, and you'll have your countdown chain. You can put it somewhere where you see it, whether it's in your kitchen, your bedroom, your living room, wherever you do your schoolwork, decorate it. So that's a really fun thing. I'm not going to do the whole thing for you, but you can send me pictures of what you made. The other thing I want to quickly do is the weather. I didn't think it was going to be so nice today, but it is. So I'm super glad. I hope you get outside today. Ready? You know I'm going to ask you to do what you see up in the sky. I'm seeing kind of a combination. How sometimes we say partly sunny, partly cloudy, depending on how much of whatever one you're seeing. I'm thinking it's one of those days, but might turn into just cloudy depending on what time you're watching this. Ready? The weather today is, and that's the temperature part, right? Okay. The next part of my lesson for you today is, what are these? You know by now. You're shouting it out, I hope, at home, saying, Ms. Perkins, those are 3D shapes. Yes. Okay. Now, I hope that after yesterday, when I was showing you a lot of the things I found around my house. What is that? You know, it's a cylinder. This one's wider and shorter, but guess what? It's still a, yes, cylinder. Oh my gosh, this is teeny tiny, but it's still a cylinder. What's this? Yes, it's a sphere, Miss Perkins. What's this? It's a cute little box, but it's a rectangular prism. Well, so is this. This is a toothpaste box, but it's still a rectangular prism, just a different shape. Oh my gosh, if you have a deck of cards, guess what that is? Yes, rectangular prism. How about this one? It's bigger than this one, but it's still a cube. You might even find cans of things around, like juice or sprays or something, as long as your parents let you touch it, right? Well, today I'm going to show you this paper, and then you'll go off and do it. And please collect real items for our small group Zoom tomorrow. So this says, where did it go? It's hiding on me. Sphere. This says cube. This says cone. This says cylinder. And you know what you could do? You could draw your own rectangular prism, top or bottom, because we do talk a lot about that, and there's quite a few around your house, I bet. I mean, even this box that I chose, if I put the cover on it, it has to have the cover in order to be a rectangular prism. So you're going to connect the lines to the real 3D shape with the real item around your house. And that's what it says. It says, ear blank blank. Blank blank day is blank Edna's blank blank blank. Today, I'm sorry, June blank blank 20 blank blank. Please blank Av an adult print, and then you need a vowel, or draw one letter, copy, I must give away the answer, and then T, it's blank blank E, 3D math matching paper. It blanks. A review blank something missing vowel. 3, well, this way for you. Ma blank blank. Work you have been do blank 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 with Mrs. Curley. And then I asked you tomorrow to bring on something real 3D, so we can all be talking about it. And I want you to be looking all around. Sometimes it might be too big to carry. You could draw it and talk about it. So lots to think about today, but 3D shapes are really pretty cool. All right. I miss you. Bye. See you tomorrow.